Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple tutorial. And in this video, I will show you how to create 3D text effect like the one you see right now on Canva. In fact, this text effect looks great on t-shirts, posters or YouTube thumbnails. And the great thing about it is that it can be done in seconds using an app that is also completely free to use. So let's get started by opening a new design in Canva. It doesn't matter which dimension you choose, it all depends on your project needs. As you can see, I have a blank canvas here. And now we need to go into the left sidebar and select the Apps option. Once selected, type into the search bar a TypeExtrude. This is a tool that will help us to create 3D text effect. So, once you found the TypeExtrude tool, select it and allow its use. And now, still in the left sidebar, we have all we need to create a 3D text effect. So let me describe all the important features of this tool. First, we have a text field where you logically put your text. Then you get a section where you can select a font for the text and the alignment. However, to create a 3D text effect, the other options are more important to us. First, let's change the colors. One color option is for your font and another for the shadow. Once you see the impact of the colors on your text in the preview window, let's play with the sliders above the color section. The one slider is for the border width, another for the angle, and the last one is for the length. As you can see, I can even create long shadow just by changing the length of the shadow. Once you are satisfied with the text, simply click to Add to the Design button and adjust the text into your design. So simple it is. As you can see, it's a relatively simple effect that can make your text design stand out on posters, wall art or even t-shirts. So, I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you liked the video, please consider giving it thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more similar content.